In a DUI context, the DUI cannot be negotiated away by state statute. So you can't get rid of that. You go through the diversion program potentially if you're eligible, but you can't negotiate it away. A hit and run charge, on the other hand, is possible to be negotiated. And so as part of your defense, your attorney is going to be going through the facts and first off, can the state prove this charge against you? Do they have the evidence that they need? If they do, then you're trying to figure out how to negotiate this. And in a hit and run context, there's something potentially called a civil compromise. I'll share that with you so you've at least heard it. That doesn't mean it's something that can happen for you, but at least you've heard it. So a civil compromise is an out-of-court agreement between you and the person who's been the victim of this crime that basically say, victim says, I'm satisfied, I don't need this case to go forward anymore. Do not contact the victim yourself. Things could get dramatically worse, dramatically quickly. That's why you need an attorney. Have the attorney potentially reach out, if it makes sense to, reach out to the victim to see if there's a way to negotiate this out. I always tell folks if we can spend $500 and get rid of a criminal charge, that's a very well spent $500. So the concept of a civil compromise is to pay the victim some extra, but potentially get rid of the criminal charge against you. You have your lawyer do this. Do not do it yourself because there's something called tampering with witnesses. And sometimes you're not even allowed to contact the victim of a crime. Things could get worse dramatically for you very quickly. Do not do this yourself. That's why you need an attorney to help you.